Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a modern R-letter logo design. Make sure watch to until the end of the video and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Go to the rectangle tool. Hold Alt and Shift, and create a rectangle. Change the fill color to stroke color from here. Now select the rectangle, and go to the object, path, and split into the grid. Take the rows number 4, and column number 4 from here, and click OK. After that, select the ellipse tool. Hold Shift and draw a circle from this corner. OK. After that, go to the Line Segment tool. Hold Shift and draw a line from this corner to this corner. One more this to this corner. OK. Now select all, and go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. Now click and drag to join these parts carefully. Perfect. Now hold Shift and select this all shape. And drag it out. Select these extra parts and press Delete. Our logo design is almost complete. Now select all. And go to the Pathfinder and Compound. After that, go to the Gradient tool. Click here. Now, double-click and choose a color from here. Again, double-click this slider, and select a color. Perfect. Now select this and go to the Gradient tool. With the Gradient tool, adjust the color way you want. Okay, our logo design is complete. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.